There are days where I want to meditate, but it's just so damn hard to get into the zone. My mind is racing. I can't sit still. The voice in my head is yelling at me, God damn it, just sit still and get on with it. And I wish I could just push a button and get into that state. But such a device doesn't exist. Or does it? Wow. How does it do this? This is the first project that I have invested in Kickstarter in years, and there's a reason for it, because I really believe in the guys that created this little device that I'm going to tell you more about as we get into it and we unbox it. This came from an app called Luminate, which is allowing you to flash some light at your closed eyes and go on some psychedelic journeys without drugs. I tried it out and it's actually amazing. It is using essentially brainwave entrainment through flickering light, and now they packed all of that technology into a headset that you can use anywhere without looking weird when you shine your iPhone light in your face whilst you're sitting on a plane. So I have high hopes for this little device. I haven't opened it yet, so this is the first time that I'm actually going to see it, and I'm very excited. So let's do this. Here we go. Okay, you don't even know what this is if you didn't know what it was. Explore your mind, relax and sleep better, neurologically guided by flickering light. There's a little photosensitivity warning. If you are not good with flickering light, then this is obviously not the product for you. Let's slide this out of the box. Now that really looks very, very premium now. This is the device. It's like a sleep mask, and I think the first impression is it is of course quite large, larger than you would expect a sort of a regular eye mask to be, but I guess that's just necessary to pack all the technology in. Okay, and so we have the mask and the little travel pouch. If you want to travel with your Nova, which I definitely will, because that's actually the entire reason why I got it, is so that I can spend long journeys on planes, tripping and relaxing. So yeah, this fits nicely into your hand luggage. What else is in the box? Important product information and the charging cable. So now I have another USB-C cable, but that's okay. And that's it. Beautifully simple. Oh, there's a quick start guide actually. Okay, what do we need to do? There's a few buttons on here, and just looking at the build quality of that, they really did a good job. This is amazing. And what do we have? Adjustable head strap, and this is really where all the magic is, the flashing LEDs inside. And so what this does is it flashes these LEDs at a certain frequency or at varying frequencies to correspond to specific brainwave activity, which will induce different states, including relaxation and other states. Some people report seeing patterns, seeing visuals, and so this is obviously to keep all the light out, so it's almost like a blackout sleep mask. And I can see that you can take this off, which is nice. Oh, and it has some care instructions on the inside, so you can hand wash this. This is great, especially if you're using this with like different people. Can't wait to try it. So it just takes me straight to the App Store, but I already have the app, so I guess I just open it. Okay, missed out on Kickstarter, you can get a late pledge. So if you want one of those, maybe you can still get one at the Kickstarter price, but I don't need that. I have one. Power button, let's start that. Okay, now it says pairing. Connect to a new Nova, connect, enable Bluetooth, allow, pair. Oh, there was a nice little haptic feedback. Look at that. Okay, explore your Nova. 4 high-precision LEDs, independently controlled, that deliver deeply immersive experiences not possible from your phone torch. Yeah, so like I said before, it was simply using the torch of that phone and you had to sit in front of it with your eyes closed. But it worked. You couldn't use it when you were in a room that was not totally dark, but this is what this should solve. I guess we'll just play a session. For that, I will need to go somewhere more comfortable. I'm about to enter an altered state without any substances, no mushrooms required, just a beautiful mask and some flashing lights. Let's try it out.
Let's make sure that Nova feels just right. Adjust the strap so the mask rests securely on the contours of your face. Now, close your eyes and remember to keep them shut whenever the light is on. Reach up and feel the 3 buttons on the top edge of Nova. The button furthest to the right increases the brightness, and the next one along decreases it. Let's begin.
Wow. That is so trippy. How does it do this? I mean, it's just LEDs flashing a light at my closed eyes, but there's like weird things going on, like psychedelic visuals, like DMT visuals happening. Very relaxing. I'm like, you can put me to bed now. It's like watching an awesome light show. Amazing lasers and visuals and all of that kind of stuff. But it's all happening in the head. It's definitely more intense than using the flashlight on here. It's so much more intense. I can't wait to just sit on a plane with this and do this for like hours. And the music is so beautiful. They have some really special collaborations with artists. How did you find your first experience with Nova? Incredible. 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 It's incredible. I'm looking forward to tripping every day now. All right. I've been using the Luminate Nova for a week now, and it's really fun. I really enjoy it. I use it mostly just before sleep because sometimes my mind is still racing and it's hard to wind down. And so using the mask and using some of the sleep programs on there just really gets me to sleep. I put on a 15 or 20 minute session and then I wake up at some point in the night and I still have the mask on and I realize that I completely knocked out. I don't even remember the end of the session, which is great because it's also like kind of a sleep mask, and I think it just gets your brain ready for sleep. So if you do this before bed, even if you don't fall asleep with the mask, it gets your brain into the right state to then fall asleep faster. I want to experiment a bit more with it. I want to use it during the day and also just to feel creative or to calm down during the day or de-stress. So definitely want to play a bit more with this. If you want to get one of those, the Kickstarter price was £65, which I think is 50% off. So the retail price would be £130. It's quite an investment, but I can say you don't know what you're missing out on if you don't try it. So I'm really glad I got it, and I'm looking forward to my next travel next week, which is going to be exciting to wear this out and about. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. And I want to hear from you. Did you know about this? Did you try the Luminate app before? Do you have one of those? If so, what's your experience? What are you seeing? Because I think everybody has slightly different experiences with this. So I'm really curious to hear from you. Leave a comment, and if you enjoy this kind of video and you want to see more of this kind of stuff from me, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.